Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a PI network KYC not approved issue. If you've submitted your KYC on your PI network but it got not approved, do not worry. This is a common issue and usually happens because of the document errors, poor image quality or the mismatched details. And in this video I'll show you exactly why KYC failed and how do you fix it. So first, KYC may fail due to of the blurry or unclear document photos. Your ID or password needs to be fully readable. Mismatch between your ID and profile details, name of the birth, name, birth or country must match exactly. Your poor face verification or expired or invalid documents. Make sure your ID and password is still valid, and also the multiple account. KYC may fail if the system detects duplicate account under the same identity. So first you need to go to your PI browser, or you can go to the PI network if you have. Over here on the dashboard of the PI browser, you can find the KYC here. Just below the mine, you can go to your KYC and review the rejection reason and check the reason for the rejection carefully. PI usually tells whether it was the ID, photo or the face verification. Use clear unexpired government issue ID. Make sure all text numbers are visible. Avoid clear shadows or copying important details. And after that, submit again and wait for the review. KYC review can take a few hours to a few days depending on the validator availability, and do not attempt multiple account or spam resubmission as it may lead to permanent rejection. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.